and put it outside.
I think so too. Oh, shit. Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh shit! Mom, Mom, look at her, look at her. Get me a towel. If you put a towel over the bird will calm down.
It's a pretty bird.
It is. It's a finch. Look at her. Why did you let the bird in the house?
The bird flew in the house all by its own self. You think I said, come on in?
I'm so putting this on Facebook.
But see, grab the cat and open the door.
You grab the cat. Your legs are not broken. Her before she grabs it. Just grab her.
Okay, Suki. Come on, baby. Suki. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Suki, I love you.
Okay, she's over here.
Okay, I'm not touching that. Get away from me. Good girl, Suki. Oh, too late.
This is so funny right now. Let's just leave a bird in the house. Might as well.
Oh my god!
Dude, we have a bird in the house.
Get it off of there, Edna. This is a new toy for Suki. That's to make it feel right.
You know I'm recording this and I can hear you on the freaking video. She can't even find it.
Where is it?
It's right here. She almost fell.
Suki?
Yeah. We gotta get this bird out, but I want to finish this video. I'm gonna turn off all the lights.